everybody. Vandaag allemaal. Vandaag we gaan maken Indisch snack is known pakora. Today we're going to make Indian snacks. Maybe people who know the Indian kitchen, the past already in a restaurant Indian, they know that snake is snack's name pakora. So we're going to make it today with easy recipe. We gaan vandaag maken. We hebben nodig bloemkool, cauliflower, red onions and potatoes, rode onion en aardappelen. We hebben nodig salt, paprika powder, garam masala. That's Indian garam masala. If also really have done, cumin. It's a garam masala and tandoori and cumin natur seeds. And we gonna make with that. So gram flour, this kikker bloom, the krekbar overall you can find everywhere. Not this mark, but you can find another mark. Let's start now. We're gonna cut red onions in little blocks. We gaan snijden die rode onion in kleine blokjes. Ook aardappelen, kleine blokjes en plus ook we doen in aardappelchips. We're gonna also cut in chips, potato chips and little blocks. And this cauliflower, bloemkool, we're gonna laat zo. We gaan zo laten. We're gonna let it sow cauliflower. And I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it. I slice no, ik snij die aardappelen nu. Ik cut it sliced and potatoes. So serve as chips. Zoals jullie gaan zien wat ik kan doen met deze. We gaan zien nu. We gaan overal kruiden doen, beetje hier. Paprika powder. We gaan paprika powder, we put it here a little bit. All our vegetables. Alle groenten gaan ons wat we gaan gebruiken. Hier ik heb een blokje van aardappelen en onions. I have blocks from onion and potatoes. Here also you put some. Then salt, a little bit garam masala. Kaya biche garam masala ni feel. Und wir gaan een deeg ook doen. En een klein beetje tandoori. We gaan die een beetje. We're gonna be marinate a little bit. We gaan een beetje marineren. Even later. Ook met bloemkool. Also cauliflower we do so. Mix a little bit mix well. And potato also. Okay, I took 2,5 cup. Ik heb gepakt 2,5 cup kikkerbloem, graanvloer. And also I forget, if you want more crunchy, you can use also rice flour. Je kan ook gebruiken rijstmeel beetje bij, dan is het meer krokant worden. Zo, we gaan bij doen. Dus ik pak die half bowl. En dan we gaan alle kruiden in doen. So 3 kleine lepel, 3 little spoon of tandoori. Also 3 cumin and cumin seeds also. That also make very good taste. They give very good taste. Now we're gonna be okay. Onze deeg is klaar. Okay. Our material is ready. Is gram flour. Now first we're gonna bake cauliflower. Bloemkool we gaan eerst doen. Omdat dit niet een beetje tijd. En we gaan altijd half bakken, omdat die pakken een beetje tijd. Half bakken, dan laten afkoelen en daarna we gaan opnieuw doen een keer. En dan is het kookt goed. Als jullie blijven doorbakken, dat binnenkant niet koken en de buitenkant is bruin. Always you bake fry half. And after you again fry, because you have to let it little cold. If you stay fry, it's gonna be burned from outside and inside is not gonna be cooked. That's why you have to let it 2 times. Also sometimes you can also make it warm in oil again. Jullie kan nog opwarmen nog een keer als nodig. Die blijft goed 1 week, meer dan een week in frigo. This will good in freezer, in fridge 1 week, no problem. You see, that's half fried. They will leave that half gebakken. Zoals we gaan terug doen, ik zal laten jullie zien. Later I'm going to show you again how we do it again. Just it will be something else. We are already half baked our cauliflower. Bloemkool we hebben half gebakken. Nu we dezelfde manieren doen ook aardappelchips. Ook half bakken. Same procedure we're gonna do with the potato chips. Okay, see, our potato chips is half fried. Onze aardappel chips is half gebakken. So have to be golden bruin kleur zijn. Later we gaan ook nog een keer doen. De tweede keer is niet doorklaar. Second time we're going to do again. The second time is not took a long time. It's going to be very quickly. But we have to must do it twice because it have to be cooked good. Okay. Now we have aardappel and onion. Now we have potatoes and red onions. But we have maybe this too much. इसकी we have to feel. Daarom we have meer gieten. Dat we altijd aan de laatste doen als jullie veel groente maken. That you try to do it on the end. Yeah, because we have to see how much we need. Sometimes it's over. Soms is overhang, is the bichati feel dik. So see hoeveel hebben jullie nodig. You see how much you need. I think it's enough. Nu ik ga tonen jullie hoe doen. We pakken zo. I show you how you do. You take it so and put one place like this. So just in a bolletje. Have you seen? It's aardappelen and onion is so half baked. The potatoes and the onions is so half fried. It smell very delicious. You can imagine. Dat riecht heel lekker. Als probeert je een keer maken thuis. Try to make it at home once. You're gonna see what is the taste. Now we're gonna start finishing. Nu we're gonna die klaarmaken. De tweede keer. Zo drukken. We you have to push so like this. You can put more pieces. It's going very quickly. You can mix to in room and you can heat wrapper. Same like you do with the potatoes and you will do with the onion and apple, potatoes and onion. Also you do the same like that. Okay, I go to do further. I go further do and I see recipe. Okay, that is in this snack is klar. See this Indian snake is ready. You see after second fry is going to be dark color. That is with the onion and potatoes. That's with onion and ardapala. That's ardapala chips, potato chips. That's cauliflower, bloemkool. Yeah. Dat is heel gemakkelijk te maken thuis. En dat is heel lekker. It is very delicious. Try to make at home. And it's also children going to like it very much. They can take also to school. Kinderen gaan graag deze dat is heel goed. En ook deze kikkerbloem is heel goed. En ik hoop jullie leuk vinden mijn video. I hope you like my video. Share, subscribe my channel and share to the friends. En tot de volgende keer. See you next time.